Welcome to this video on the history of the Philippine educational system, specifically focusing on the evolution of the teaching profession. Following 1986, education was prioritized as a tool for national development. This shift, formalized under DECS Order No. 6, emphasized humanism, values education, and the strategic promotion of teacher welfare. The curriculum underwent significant changes. The new elementary school curriculum focused on the 3 rupees and mastery learning, while the secondary education development program aimed to improve system efficiency and student development. The 1991 EDCOM report was a major turning point, recommending reforms such as decentralizing the bureaucracy, establishing centers of excellence, professionalizing teachers, and reforming technical vocational education. This led to the trifocalization of the system, dividing education into 3 distinct branches: DEP Ed for basic education, CHED for higher education, and TESDA for technical vocational training. The teaching profession was further professionalized through institutional upgrades, the creation of centers of excellence, and the establishment of the licensure examination for teachers, or LET. Access to education was expanded through DOST scholarships for qualified youth and the abolition of the National College Entrance Examination, removing a significant systemic barrier. The vision for the future was defined by Education for All, a mandate focused on humanitarian values and critical thinking as the foundation of basic education. The 4 pillars of this initiative were early childhood care and development, universal quality of primary education, eradication of illiteracy, and continuing education. The master plan looked beyond traditional methods, incorporating community partnerships through the PTCA, alternative learning systems, and non-traditional strategies to ensure student retention. The Third Elementary Education Project, or TEEP, served as a direct response to the government's social reform agenda, targeting higher participation and completion rates in schools. To meet diverse needs, the system adopted differentiated approaches, including customized demographic interventions, support for remote areas via multi-grade teaching, and school feeding programs. Modern teachers were supported through institutional training programs like NEAP and school-based support systems, emphasizing active and experiential learning in the classroom. In summary, the curriculum, the trifocalized system, and the professionalization of teachers all converge to fulfill the mandate of education for all. Thank you for watching. The history of our educational system serves as the blueprint for your future classroom.